Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a foil boat that makes two ways. Let me show you. You can wrap the coins around and count how many coins you can put in here and sink. First I'm going to show you how it wraps up. So when you get it wet, then we have to foil it up really tightly so it doesn't move. And then watch. When I just drop it like this, it will sink. You want to see? Okay, here we go. Ta-da! If you do it on the side and in the middle and on the other side, you can easily sink it. And the other way, you can open it and count how many coins. And fold, unfold, and watch. This can float, and if I do this and put it in the water carefully, it floats. You see that? See? Now then it sinks.